After 28 hours of travel time, I won't go into the details, but that was a whole mess coming from Bali all the way to Japan. Me and TJ made it to Japan.
What's up? Day one, including yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday doesn't count. We did go out last night, got some drinks, got some food, but today's our first full day. No one ever breaks the rules. It's so cool. We're both pretty hungry. We grabbed a couple of snacks from a convenience store. Japan has the best snacks, so we're just starting to go through and try all the different ones. We're getting a little bit of food in our stomach, but saving stomach space, that way we can really enjoy the food. Each ride's like 100.
Finally got my card. I've been trying to figure this out.
We're a little bit lost. South Concourse. Hopefully this is the right way. Room one's on this side. We got this.
It's pretty easy to get lost.
I think we have what, like about a half hour on here.
The next station is Shibuya JA10.
We want to get to the restaurants, but we're super hungry, so we're just gonna stop and eat right here on this little table right here. That's probably for people reading manga books. Deep is roll one way, roll out, and then roll in. Okay, one. Cheers. Nako, Nano. Wow. It's so Japan. So many different snacks that I've never heard of, never seen. Honestly, from the packaging, I just still don't know what they are a lot of the time. All right, so we couldn't hold off. We're gonna eat again. We're gonna get takoyaki. Takoyaki's like a little bit of octopus wrapped in like a ball, like a little spherical ball of dough that they cook.
Yeah, and they just poured batter in. And
TJ's first takoyaki. They put it in this little boat. Super hot.
burn the back of my throat.
We made it to the Gundam. It's kind of a roundabout way to make it here.
I used to make Gundam when I was a kid, man.
Did you really?
I still have a few at my parents' house.
We walked through the whole mall and just eating food, looking at cotton candy, but there it is. Check this thing out. We're kind of just like looking through the mall, just seeing what we can find, but we found there's a skate park on the roof right here, and we're...
Can we go up there?
Up there?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's a really, really nice view. Cool, thank you. Check it out. At these places, they always have like little vending machines. Here's the ticket booth. That's where you walk through. Snacks, slow bar. Who wants a slow bar? Ice cream. And they have these, so you can just tap your Passmo card and get your stuff. You don't have to deal with change or cash or anything. And they have lockers there too.
I made a full video walkthrough of TeamLab's last week, so click the card in the top right corner to see an in-depth tour. TeamLab Planets was seriously so dope.
I think we've been waiting here for less than 20 minutes, right? 15?
Yeah, 20.
Not too bad. I'm hungry though, I can say that.
Tried to hold ourselves over. Also wish I would have ate more earlier.
So hungry right now. So right now we're at Ramen Street, which is in the Tokyo Station underground. Took us a while to find it and to make sure we're at the right place, but we found a picture that shows this exact spot, so we know we're in the right place. It's a little cramped in here, so I'm not going to try to film while I eat. All right, well, we went back to the room. We were pretty tired. We went pretty far today. We took a lot of wrong turns on the subway, but got back to the room, relaxed for a bit. My power bank was dead, my Apple Watch was dead, my phone was nearly dead. I don't know what we'd do if our phones were dead. It'd be so hard to get back to our place. After recharging everything, we were ready to go back out just for a little while. We still want to get a good start on tomorrow. So we're walking down in, what's it called, Kotobuki? Kabuchiko. And yeah, we're headed over to Golden Gei to check that out. It's Friday night, should be a lot of people around.
Okay, so I'm deciding to end this video here because a lot more happened that night and it deserves its own full video. Next, we went to Golden Gei, which is a super cool, small little area with 6 narrow alleys and a bunch of dark passageways connecting everything. In this tiny area, there's over 200 tiny little bars, clubs, and places to eat. Everything is way packed in, but it has such a cool vibe. After that, we followed some locals who spoke zero English into a building, up an elevator, and saw the coolest magic show. Stay tuned for next week's video, but do me a favor and consider clicking like, subscribe, and keep following me as I journey around the world. See you guys next time.